Hello everybody and welcome to Them Fast. Today we have this Volkswagen ID5.
Yeah, so it's the ID5, it's the Pro version with very nice concave wheels, and these are very cool. These are the same wheels that were on the green ID bus. So what makes this car special? Well, here you see the sloping roofline with a integrated spoiler, which is very nice. And here we have some very cool white badging as well. So once again, thanks M. de Koning in Capelle aan de IJssel for providing these vehicles. And today we're going to take you for a POV drive in this amazing new Volkswagen. So hop on, Rob.
So we're in the car, in the interior of the car, and Nicky's going to tell you a bit more about the specs and the details of the ID5.
Right, so yes, this is a brand new Volkswagen ID5 Pro edition, which means that it has a lot of nice features, including a sporty interior and actually really nice seats as well. So this car is equipped with a 174 brake horsepower electric motor, so that's a bit less than the ID bus. But funny enough, it does the 0 to 100 in exactly the same time. And it has a top speed of 160 kilometers an hour. So this car has a new price of 53,000 euros in the Netherlands. And yeah, it's actually a really nice spec version. So we have blacked out headliner as well. We have nice bits and pieces right here. And yeah, I think this is a really nice, cool looking vehicle. What do you think, Rob?
Yeah,
this
Nick,
amazing car.
I think it's a really nice car. It also has some things I think, yeah, okay.
Yeah, the build quality is. I think the build quality of this car is slightly worse than the ID. I don't know, but the ID bus, it really felt like it was all very good in terms of quality, and this feels a bit less, I guess.
Yeah, but overall it's actually a really nice car.
Yeah,
the steering feels really firm, really good.
Yeah.
The driving is also perfect. It's not perfect, but it's really really good for an electric car, like a family car. If you have like a family or kids or a dog or something else, it's a really good car. And
I have to say, 50,000 for this car is not too much.
No. Now we're going to make already some flyby shots.
Flyby. All right, fly.
Bye.
Bye.
Let's turn the car in reverse a little, and then put it in drive, but I always prefer to use the brake pedal. If you want to compare this with like a Tesla or something, it's not that. If you are looking for the answer of something like that, it's more like a kind of combustion car in terms of performance. So it's not a like fast car or something. It's just a very practical, good usable car. And yeah, the performance are not that special, but they're really good for just a normal car. And of course it's a electric car, so it's all instant, it's all fast, and it's all without changing gears, of course. So that's really good. And this car is provided by M de Koning in Capelle aan de IJssel, and they provide us with this ID platform. You can check out the other cars in the link in the description or over here on top, right there. There's Nicky, of course. He's going to make some flyby shots, and let's see how they look. Turning is also really good. This car also has a very nice turning radius, so that's also very useful if you're in like tight spaces or something. The car turns pretty good, but actually all the electric vehicles from Volkswagen does these type of turning, so that's really nice. With the acceleration. Yeah, it does pull, but of course it does because it's an electric car. Now I'm going to pick up Nicky. If you like these kind of videos, then please subscribe to the channel. You can enjoy our other videos, the POV videos, but also some reviews or other videos about specific cars. And if you want to see a specific car on the channel that we didn't test already, then please let us know in the comments down below. So what do you think of the outside of the car?
Yeah, I said it at the beginning and I really like this color. So it's a sort of Nardo gray-ish paint. I don't know if it's really the same color, but it does look like it. And in combination with these 21-inch concave wheels, this car looks really good from the outside. All right. It's really sporty, especially with the sloping roofline.
So in the conclusion, it's a very nice car. Yeah, it's a perfect family car.
And I think the for the price point around 50,000, I think you really do get a lot of money, a lot of car for the money.
Yeah,
it's not bad
for an electric car. It's pretty good,
and it's looking very nice. Specs are decent, so yeah, nice car.
So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video. Ciao!
Ciao.